you need to know about tax in the UAE. On the 31st of January 2022, the Ministry of Finance in the UAE announced that it would be introducing a federal corporate income tax regime as well as transfer pricing rules and requirements. In our newsletter, we look at why these rules and this regime has been introduced, what the regime and TP rules envisage, when this new regime will come into force, and how it's likely to be enforced. I think as a next step, it's important for UAE businesses to determine whether the corporate income tax regime impacts on their business, and if so, at what rate. Also to look at the various exemptions that have been mentioned and how they might apply to their business. It's important to just note that we still require quite a lot of information from the Ministry of Finance as to the application of those exemptions, so it's a bit of a wait and see game at this stage. Also important for businesses to look at the transfer pricing rules and requirements to ready themselves to be compliant with those rules going forward. There is still quite a lot of time. The new regime, as well as the transfer pricing rules and requirements, will become effective for financial years starting on or after the 1st of June 2023. So your business does have some time to ready itself for this introduction. If you have any questions or would like for us to help you navigate this new regime in the UAE, feel free to get in touch.